So now on this part of the biped creation or biped rigging, let us create IK solvers for the arms and legs. I'll go to the upper arm. I'll select that. I'll go to animation, IK solver, HI solver, and then I will click the hand bone. So now it will have that IK handle. Same here at the other hand. Animation, IK solver, HI solver, this one. Same with the foot, select that. Animation, IK solver, HI solver, this one. Upper leg, same thing. IK, HI, click the footing. W for move. And then as I click and drag, here it is. Even if you select the hips, now it is going to be fixed on the ground. So that's how the rig is being affected by the IK solvers. Okay, so the next thing to do now is start creating controls, shape controls. So I'll go to my shape, and then I can choose circle, for example, and then I will just color code this circle, for example, to blue. The blue is going to be the left side, and then the green is going to be the right side. So I will just name this, for example, L for left side of the biped, and then I will name it hand underscore CTRL or hand control, and then I will just clone copy it here, holding shift click and drag, and then I will remove this, and then I can just type in here R. This is the right hand control, and this is going to be colored this way, green. So that's how I'm going to create my controls. And then let's say I will also click and drag, copy this, and now I can select this and just rename carefully. This is going to be the left foot control. I can copy that, paste it here. This is going to be the R and the right foot control. See? So that's how we will be creating the controls. And then also I'll create another set, which is this time I'll choose an N-gon. So here's an N-gon there. So this N-gon, I will use the same color. Let's say here, there. So I'll just paste earlier. Example here. This is going to be the left knee control, and then I'll drag it up, and this is going to be the left elbow control. Okay, and then I can drag them onto the other side also for a quicker renaming. I can select this, and then I can just remove this, and then change L to R. Right knee control. This is going to be the left elbow control, or the right knee control. And then I'll just change the colors into this green. So there it is. So those are my elbows and knee controls. Now let's position them. For example, to position this, all I need to do is select this. This is the foot control, the hand control. So I will select that, and then I will choose Alt A, or that's the shortcut for align. I will press Alt A, and then I will click the bone hand, and it will align there. And then after it align XYZ position, and then I will align it pivot to pivot, and then I will align it orientation also. So the angles of the hand are also being aligned by the circle. aligned on the circle. And then I'll just press OK. I'll do the same here. Alt A onto the hand. That's it. And then the foot. Select Alt A this. OK. Select Alt A there. So I'm just repeating those steps. Next is, now I have these. I can edit some size. For example, if I choose to, let's say, size this up to 10, so that later if there is a mesh of the character, I can still see it. This one also, I can size that up to 10, and this one to 10. So the next thing is, we will now parent. So I will turn on my parent tool, and then I'll just click and drag this. See? So now, so I have linked the IK solver. So link tool, I have linked this onto this. So the next thing now is, I will select, this time I will select the hand, and then I'll go to animation, constraints, orientation constraints, and then I will click the circle. This means that the circle can now be followed by the IK, and also can be rotated with the and also the rotation of the circle are going to be followed by the wrist both. Okay, next is, let me just align this, but I will not include the x-axis. Okay, so next is this one, the other side. I'll just go back to my link tool. So this IK solver parented to the circle, so now it also follows the circle. And then this hand bone, animation, constraints, orientation constraint to the circle. So once again, the circle is being followed by the IK, and the rotation of the circle is being followed by the wrist. I'll do the same here on the foot. So on the footing, I'll select the IK, link tool. So link tool to the circle, and then I'll select the footing, animation, constraints, orientation constraints, circle. I'll do the same. IK, link to the circle, and then foot bone, animation, constraints, orientation constraints to the circle. So now, when I move this, okay, and then this, okay. Next, let's have the elbow controls and the knee controls aligned. So first, I will select this knee control. Let's say the left knee control. I'll go to Alt A, align it to the lower leg or calf. I'll check the position XYZ, but I will not check the orientation XYZ. I will uncheck that. Okay, I'll do the same here on the other side. Select this, Alt A, there. Pressing OK. Now I will select these two knee controls. I will drag them forward where the knees are facing, and then I'll just press E, angle snap, and rotate it forward like so, 90 degrees, and there you have it. They are now facing the knee. So what I will do next is I will select the IK solvers, And then I'll go to the motion panel where I can edit the IK solver, but I will go to the IK solver properties, and then I will choose the swivel angle. I will choose pick target and click this one. Okay, so now when I click the knee target, the knee will follow. Same here, I'll select this other IK. Again, motion panel, IK solver properties, swivel angle, pick target, click. So now I have those following the knees. I can select the two of them. Okay, next thing, I will select this. This time I'll align it to the elbow, the lower arm. Same here. Select this, Alt A, align. Then once more, I'll drag it, this time backwards because that's where the elbows are facing. E, angle snap, drag, W. So this is where the elbows are going to be controlled. So the same procedure, I'll select the IK, and then I'll go to motion panel, IK solver, swivel angle, click. I'll do the same to the other side, IK solver, pick target, this one, W for move. Selecting this, dragging back, so there it is. Selecting this, drag back, and there it is. So now we have those symmetrical controls for the arms, legs, and elbows and knees. So next is we will create controls for the spine. I'll see you on the next lesson.